We got some specs of the Moto RAZR, which sounds kind of disappointing for the type of device that they're planning. Google will be stepping down from the laptop and tablet market to evaluate their position, according to what we see, and Red is also re-evaluating their position and taking new leadership in the hydrogen project. I'm Jaime Rivera, and yes, this is a crazy week, but it's Wednesday. We're getting close to Friday. This is Pocketnow Daily, sponsored by the Honor View 20. The official news today begin with deals. If you are in the market for Hulu, you might want to use your Spotify Premium account. It'll pretty much give you Hulu for free, and it's from now up until June 10, I believe you can register. So yeah, it's actually a really good service, a very good combo. You can learn more and register in the description. Now let's talk about Apple and what the company plans to show us in their Showtime event. According to trusted sources, the company is going to launch its own TV streaming services, and a lot of people were expecting that for the billions of dollars that the company has already spent in original content, it would launch with a lot of it, but apparently, according to the source, no, that's not going to be the case. There's going to be little to no Apple original content. Instead, it's going to push a lot of HBO, Stars, and everything, and then eventually it'll evolve to whatever we'll see later, so I don't really understand what the benefit is here. Now let's talk about the Red Hydrogen One, that phone that I actually am not complaining that I didn't get a review unit for, because nobody really liked it. It was wonky, and well, Jim Jannard just pretty much noticed that up to the point where they're pulling the plug from the Red Hydrogen One. Actually, they pulled the plug on the modules, and it seems that the company is working on a whole new device. So for those of you that spent a crazy amount of money on that phone, Adam Lane included, according to Jim Jannard, they will take care of you at some point. Hopefully the experience is better than how long it took them to sell the device. Now let's talk about Google and, well, their tablet project, Chrome OS and everything. It seems that the company's department in charge of this is now being asked to look for other positions temporarily within Google or Alphabet. And that's rather sad. I mean, the Pixel Book is probably one of our favorite computers of last year, well, 2 years ago. But then the Pixel Slate was not. A lot of us really wanted to love this product and just didn't. So it seems that they want to reevaluate themselves, and I find it really interesting, mainly because we were expecting Fuchsia OS and the future of Chrome OS. And so, if anything, this is not the time to do that, but we'll see why. And finally, the hottest news today have to do with the Moto RAZR, a device we also want to love, but I don't know, man. We've got some leaked specifications. Apparently the code name is Voyager. The final name will apparently be the RAZR, but the problem is, once you look into the specs, Qualcomm Snapdragon 710 with 64 128 gigs of storage, 4 or 6 gigs of RAM, and then the display has got this like weird resolution, and then the outer display has another weird resolution, and you know, that's all fine. I mean, I could put up with that. We've got that outfolding design and everything. The part that I don't understand is when you get this like premium mid-range spec device being priced at $1,500 according to the source. Let us know in the comments, what do you think? I mean, do you think that this product will actually be worth it or not? Because my God, if we've got medium range specs on such a hefty price tag, I think it's going to be dead on arrival. Where we've got devices like the Mate X, which surely is $2,300, but you've got 5G and all the best specifications, so I mean, come on, man. This is me. Let us know what you think in the comments down below. And folks, this episode of the Pocketnow Daily is sponsored by the Honor View 20. This has proven to be one of our favorite phones of the year thanks to a gorgeous and unique back design, a whopping 48 megapixel camera that brings in awesome night mode along with an ultra clarity mode for better photos in all scenarios. It's one of the first with a time of flight sensor for state-of-the-art 3D sensing and better portraits. It was also one of the first with a hole punch design in the selfie camera, and one of the smallest we've seen in the market. Price this, plus its powerful Kirin 980 processor at just $600, and this is why it's really hard to beat. Follow the link in the description below and learn more about the Honor View 20 and why it's so cool. Friends, again, if you want to get the news earlier, follow us on Pocketnow.com and subscribe to both our channels, English and Spanish, for more videos like this one. You can follow me on Twitter, Jaime_Rivera, on Instagram at Jaime Rivera. Please give this video a thumbs up if you like what you saw. I'm Jaime Rivera. Thanks so much for watching. We'll see you tomorrow.